Hey guys! Welcome to my holiday makeup get ready with me. I think it's my second one that I have going on. Yeah, so I think, oh yeah, this day I actually wanted to film a gaming video too. And my roommate and I wanted to take holiday pictures in front of our tree with our cat. Yeah, wild, I know. And so I was like, might as well just film it too because I want it to be cute. And yeah, so that's how this video came to be. So I'm just color correcting right here by using an orange corrector on my dark spots, which I didn't really put on my dark spots, I just put under my eyes where it's a little bit darker. And it works really well, like I feel like you can just tell right there. And definitely lips needed some Carmex chapstick because they was chapped. And then this time I used my Estee Lauder one. If you look at my previous look, you can tell this one's a lot more browner and the other one it's lighter and has a little bit of a pink shade. I don't like the pink shade, but it was fine because I got it when I got my makeup done for a party last month. And you know, MAC does that thing where they want full glam, you get $50, you have to buy $50 worth of products, and I think that's such a steal compared to normal makeup artists. Like, you usually pay like 75 and up for makeup, and you know, and it looks good and everything, but out of the MAC one you get product, so you're basically just paying for product and getting a full face. So I think that's really cool. Of course, sometimes it doesn't come out amazing or something, but they work well with you. So yeah, that was really cool, and I would definitely do that again. And yeah, they like cater to your taste, like, oh, I kind of want to look like this and look like this, and it's really fun. And then I used a what? Concealer. Yes, concealer under eyes, brightened that up, blended that out. Oh, this is bad. Oh, I'm so upset. I tried the peppermint mocha at Starbucks, and guys, do not get it. I got it with almond milk and no whip, and no, I can't do it. It's so gross. Like, I had to finish because I was like, bro, this drink was so expensive, you know? Had to get it. I mean, I had to drink it as much as I could. I did not finish it for sure, but it was so disappointing. I can't, after trying out other coffee places, and from the place I am, like, Starbucks is everywhere, you know? And after trying out other places, I don't really like Starbucks coffee. Like, I loved their pumpkin cream, what was it? The cold brew, so yummy. But like, I think it's just this one, I just did not like it. It had that burnt, you could explicitly taste Starbucks signature burnt taste they always have. I think it went along with the burnt taste and then peppermint, so it just made it really bad. Like, it was the first time I was like, this is not good. Like, I don't like this. And it was so disappointing. Like, I actually didn't want to drink it. And then I get peppermint mocha from I only discovered this place when I moved here for college. It's called Woods Coffee, and peppermint mocha there is so good. Like, you guys, it's unbelievable. It's so good. I can't believe I'm talking about this for so long, but oh my god. I 10 out of 10 do not recommend the peppermint mocha from Starbucks. Like, I will not get it again. Ever. At least for a long time. And I tried the peppermint mocha at the other place, like, after this, and it tasted great. I actually liked it. But yeah, I just felt like I had to get it for being festive, you know, being the holidays and everything, and it was very disappointing. I was like, it was my day off, I was gonna be chilling, you know, filming video, and it was gonna be a great time, and then Starbucks ruined it. Ruined it for me. There are other drinks, I do like it, I just like, it really like came at me with I hate the burnt flavor that Starbucks does. I don't know why they do it. It's just the way their coffee is made, but still. Anyways, moving on to my makeup. You guys can see, like, obviously what I'm doing. I worked on my eyeshadow while I let my banana powder, my Ben Nye bake and sit on my face. And yeah, and I'm just doing this. I use which palette? Oh, I use the James Charles. I talked about this in my last glam look. I mean, my last holiday look. And I discovered James Charles is not pigmented at all. And it's not my fault. It's not my skin tone. It in general is not pigmented for a lot of people. So having brown skin just adds on top of that. So you really have to just keep packing it on, which is so disappointing for this palette because I was so excited for it and everybody was getting it. And I just wanted a palette that had so many colors in it. You know, you can do so many different things with it, and it's been disappointing. And I didn't discover until my cousin pointed it out to me, and then I was like, that's what it is. And that was very upsetting. Yeah. You can see I have to keep blending in. Even then, with the amount of product I put on, you don't see it as much. Like, it's not popping out. Compared to the Morphe one I used in my last one. That one, you just, Morphe, any of the Morphe ones I have, you just tab a little bit. I mean, tab, wait, isn't this Morphe? This is James Charles times Morphe, right? But the other Morphe palettes I do have, like even the Huda one, oh my god, you just like dip your, this is so satisfying by the way, but you just dip your brush in and so much product, so much, and you can see it's so pigmented. Yeah, and then after I do my eyeshadow, I brush away my banana powder, and you can see the difference. I just love it. It's so much fun brushing it off. Like, it just brightens it so much. And then I contour my face with, this time I use the Benefit, what's it called, Hula bronzer. Because I was like, it's been a while. That is just a constant favorite, you know. It does the job. A lot of people love it. Yeah, and then I put some highlighter on, liquid highlighter, as you know, blend it out, brush it out, and then put powder highlighter to make it more poppin'. And I'm talking, but I'm not talking, I'm actually singing along, listening to music. Oh, actually, I use I don't know how to pronounce it, Juvia's? Juvia's? I think it's Juvia's. This is copper-ish colored highlighter. I decided to give it more of a try because I haven't been using it much, and it's very loose, glittery, and I actually really like that. Yeah, I haven't used that much, but I do like it. And then I was gonna use this mixed blush in my Benefits kit, and I just like not feeling it, so I used my California one, also by Benefit, and that one definitely did the trick. I feel like key to these holiday looks is adding blush because it just makes it like, you know, the rosy cheeks and the cold type of look, and I love it. Yeah. You can tell I'm like really into the look. I don't know what happened. I think I forgot something. Or I got a call. Yeah, and then I put on eyeliner. It looks like I bowed down, but I was sneezing. And then I used my MAC, what's it called? Mascara. You can see my eyelashes are long, and this just makes it popping, and I love this mascara. In love with it. Also got it with alongside my foundation that time, and you guys, it is amazing. My favorite mascara of all time. And I would recommend using fake lashes, but I just felt like that's just really extra, you know, for the things I was doing that day, so I didn't need that. But if you're like going out to a party or something, I would definitely recommend fake lashes. And then I plug in my curler to yeah, I plug in my curler to start on my hair and brush out my hair. The trash can is there if you see me. I'm taking out my hair and putting it in there. And then section off half my hair up and half my hair down. And then using my heat protectant spray. See, still trying to drink that. And then I just curl away. Curl all of my hair. Honestly, looking and watching this is so satisfying. I don't know why. It just looks so smooth. This look actually took me like 45 minutes altogether, I think. 45 minutes to an hour, but I was chilling, you know, having a good time. And then put down my top part and then continue curling away that. And this look is similar to the one I just did, the other holiday look. But instead of sectioning off my hair, I decided to just use my glammed out clip and just clip it in place. I really like this look a lot. And I mentioned in that video that I was gonna buy some fancy schmancy clips, and I saw them and I was like, I have to get those. They're a little bit pricier, but I am so into that look right now. It's just very easy to do, even if you didn't curl your hair. You could do it like straighten your hair and just do it. I went and changed real quick. Just lightly hairspray everywhere. Now deciding which hair clip I want. I was like, this one, no, I don't like the way, I don't know, it's just not like flat to my head, you know? And then it took a while to take off the wrapping off one of them. And I decided to settle in with this one. This one is so cute. I loved it. This is jazzed out, bedazzled, like a big clip. Literally a clip. And then to finish this off, the signature pink, I mean, I don't know why I said pink, red lips. I'm like, which side is better? It looks very glossy even until the end, but it actually sits matte. Like it turns into matte. Even then, this like, it wasn't not my favorite like lipstick. I thought I really liked it, but putting it on this time I realized I'm not that in love with it. I gave my mom this red one I use for dance competitions, and that one's poppin'. That was my Maybelline. And then I just finish off by spraying. Normally do a setting spray, but I used the rose water. Here is me at the end of the night. Just thought I'd show you. It stayed. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, stuff below, and subscribe.